Talky Talk English.
Hello,
Hello, can I help you?
my name is Sarah.
Okay, I see.
I have a flight to London.
All right.
Is this the right counter?
Yes, it is.
Can I check in here?
Yes, please.
My passport, please.
Thank you. Your passport, please.
Go ahead. Do I need to show my ticket?
No, just your passport.
How many bags can I check in?
2 bags.
Is my bag too heavy?
Let me check.
How much is the extra fee?
$50.
Can I take this bag as carry-on?
Yes, you can.
Where is my gate?
Gate at 10.
What time is boarding?
At 2 p.m.
Here is my boarding pass.
Thank you.
Can I get a window seat?
Let me see. Yes.
Or an aisle seat?
Yes, that's possible.
Where is the security check?
It's over there.
Is this flight on time?
Yes, it is.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Have a good flight.
Please put your bag here.
Okay.
Take off your shoes.
My shoes.
Yes, and your belt.
All right.
Empty your pockets.
Everything out.
Yes, all metal items.
My phone too.
Yes, and laptop.
Where do I put them?
In the tray.
Like this.
Perfect.
Can I go now?
Wait for the signal.
Okay.
Walk through the scanner.
Is it safe?
Please step back.
What's wrong?
Anything in your pocket?
No.
Take off your jacket.
Oh, my jacket.
Try again.
Okay.
All clear.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I get my things?
Yes, over there.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
May I see your boarding pass
Here it is.
and your passport?
One moment, here.
Thank you.
Is
Yes,
this my
gate
gate?
10.
Which zone is boarding?
Zone 3.
I am in zone 2.
Please wait.
When will zone 2 board?
In 5 minutes.
Can I board with a child?
Yes, you can.
Where is the line?
Over here.
Is the flight full?
Almost.
What seat do I have?
23A.
Is it a window seat?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
Have a good flight.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Is the plane delayed?
No, it's on time.
Why are we waiting?
For passengers from another flight.
Oh, I see.
Enjoy your flight.
Thanks.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
What is your seat number?
15B.
It's on your left.
Found it.
Can I help with your bag?
Yes, please.
Up here.
Thank you.
Please sit down.
Okay.
Fasten your seatbelt.
How do I do it?
Like this.
Got it.
Would you like a drink?
Water, please.
Or juice?
No, water is fine.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy the flight.
I will. Excuse me.
Yes.
Can I recline my seat?
Yes, gently.
How long is the flight?
3 hours.
Is there Wi-Fi?
Yes, for a fee.
Can I get a blanket?
Yes, 1 moment.
Do you have headphones?
Yes, for sale.
Thank you again.
No problem.
See you later.
See you.
Talky Talk English.